Welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a Java program on Notepad text editor and compile and run program from command prompt in Windows 10. So let's get started. First of all, ensure that you have installed JDK in your system. I have already installed JDK. Okay, and you have to set Java home path variable. So follow this video instruction. Go to control panel and then click on system and security, then open system. Now scroll down, click on advanced system settings. Now open environment variable. Okay, in system variable section, click on new and enter the variable name Java home and enter variable values. So copy this path, paste here, click on OK, and now click on path and then edit. Now click on new Java home bin. Okay, now open command prompt and check the JDK installation with this command java c -- version. Okay, and see the JDK version. Now open Notepad text editor and click on file and then click on new. Now save this file, create a new folder. I will create new folder in desktop, my Java. Navigate to this folder and create a file, name it hello world, and the file extension must be Java. Then click on save. Okay, now create a simple Java program. So define a class and class name must be the same as file name. Okay, now declare a method public static void main to display message. Write this code save this file. Now navigate to desktop and then navigate to my Java folder by cd command. Okay. Now compile this Java program with this command java c and then the file name with Java extension, then hit enter. If there has no error in Java program, this command will generate a class file, file name and then class extension. Okay. Now run this program with this command java and then just the file name without extension and hit enter, and you will see hello world. Now we are going to understand the programs. The first line of this program, every Java program must have at least one class definition that consists of the class keyword. Here this is the class keyword and followed by class name. Here hello world is the class name. Which class contains the main method, that class is called main class. Here we define only one class, name it hello world, and this class contains a method, main method, so this is the main class. The main class must be the same as the file name that contains the program. Here the file name is hello world.java, so the hello world will be the class name. In the second line of the program, let's break the line to understand it properly. In public, this is a keyword. This makes the main method public so that we can call main method from outside the class. Static is a keyword. We don't need to create an object for static methods to run. They can run itself. Void is a keyword. It does not need return anything. And main, it is the main method. This is the entry point from which the JVM start running our Java program. And strings arguments, it is used for command line arguments that are passed as string. In the third line, system.out.println, it is used to print an argument that is passed to it. Here we passed a string hello world, and when we compile and run this program, we will get a message hello world. If you like this video, give a like for this video, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.